Hey there, digital dynamos. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the secrets of online success. Today, we're diving deep into the world of off-page SEO. Not sure what it is or how it can supercharge your website? Stick around because we've got you covered. Off-page SEO refers to all the actions taken outside your website to improve its rankings on search engines, while on-page SEO focuses on optimizing your own content and site structure. Off-page SEO is all about building your website's authority and reputation. Think of it as your website's PR campaign. So, why is off-page SEO important? Well, search engines like Google use algorithms to determine which websites deserve top rankings. Off-page signals like backlinks and brand mentions tell Google that your site is trustworthy and valuable. The key pillars of off-page SEO include backlinks, social media engagement, local SEO efforts, and influencer outreach. Let's break these down. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours. High-quality backlinks from reputable sites act as votes of confidence, boosting your site's credibility. But remember, quality matters more than quantity here. Next, social media engagement. Sharing your content and interacting with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can amplify your site's reach and drive traffic. Don't forget local SEO. Listing your business on directories like Google My Business and encouraging reviews can significantly improve your local search rankings. Finally, influencer outreach. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can help you tap into their audience and build trust faster. And there you have it, the fundamentals of off-page SEO. It's all about building relationships, credibility, and a strong online presence beyond your website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on digital marketing tips. See you next time.